Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download Amazon Prime Videos application on iPhone. For that, you need to go on your App Store at the first. Now there at the bottom right, you can see search icon, tap on that. Now here at the search bar, you need to simply search Amazon Prime Videos. At the second, you can see the option, tap on that. Now there you can see the option Get. You can tap on that or you can press on Amazon Prime Video and you will be led to this kind of page. And there also you can see the option Get. Simply tap on that. And now you can see that the application has already been installed. Now you can tap on Open. Now you can create yourself an account or simply sign in and enjoy your Amazon Prime videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.